Observation number 6.
Farts and belches are excellent comedy material. My coworker crop dusted my manager this weekend.
She did what now?
My coworker, he's 74 and really grumpy. He crop dusted my manager. Freaking farted and then walked away, and she walked right into it, and she told me the whole story, and so did he. I don't think I've ever laughed so hard in my life. Sorry.
No, it's all good.
Anyone knows me knows that fart stories are always like number one. Can always get my attention with a fart story.
We not only have a fart machine around here somewhere, I'm sure, but we have fart pianos.
What? Where has that been all my life?
Yeah, fart pianos. They're little keyboards about the size of my iPad here. That when you hit the keys, they make farting noises.
Where can I buy one?
I think I got them at the dollar store, to be honest. I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I don't remember where I got them.
Oh.
Strangely enough, it was me who bought them. It was Gotcha Day. I make some exceptions when it's how much I like to make my boys happy. And they were very happy. And they walked around with these.
I need one. I need to find one.
For a while. I don't know what happened to them all. They probably got taken away after a while. Like, that's it. I'm done. No more. And then they play these contests. My husband and 2 boys, they'll play these contests where they have, like, who can make another one laugh. Ooh. And my oldest is really good at it. I mean, he can just be like...
Yeah, he's very serious. I could see that. Yeah.
And you could say just about anything to him, and he'd just be like... You make faces at him, he's just like... I mean, he's really good at it.
Yeah, I could see that.
My youngest is terrible at it.
Yeah.
He laughs at everything. If you tell him not to laugh, he will laugh.
Yeah.
But my oldest, man, he just... And you can almost see him do it. He just kind of... And you know he's there. And you know you're like, okay, I'm not going to win this.
I don't have that type of self-control.
So my husband will grab his phone and find, like, the raunchiest, grossest sounding belching noise you can possibly find. And if anything will break him, it'll be that.
It would break me too. That is a good one. Oh yeah, I could talk about farting and belching all day long. I'm like pull one up on my phone and start.
There's an app for that. There really is.
Is there really? What?
Oh yeah, there are all kinds of gross sounding.
What? Okay, Google. Grossest fart noise. I am impressed, sir. Mm-hmm. She's not amused, but I am.
Yep.
I'm gonna be 40, I swear. Fart jokes are hilarious. Oh my gosh. I just told you about what happened this weekend at work. I laughed so hard when this story was being told to me. See, I'm crying right now. I laughed so hard when I was at work that I fell onto the floor. I work in a bakery. The floor is disgusting, okay? I fell onto the floor and seriously almost had to run and take a bathroom break. It was that bad. Like, clean up on aisle 3 because it was bad. I was laughing that hard. So.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. And the term crop dusting is now my new thing. That's my favorite thing.
Crop dusting.
Crop dusting.
So that's just when you walk by.
Yeah.
Right?
Right. Yeah. Like you let one fly and you walk by someone, or you let one fly
do that
and
all
you
the time.
leave.
Yeah, my dogs love to do that.
Yeah, that's crop dusting.
In fact, Snuggles, that's the dog on the, you can kind of see her little tush in the corner of the screen there. She likes to jump up on the couch when we're just chilling, and she'll let one loose and then be like, "Who touched my butt?" And then she jumps off and runs off. She still hasn't figured out that it's coming from her.
That is hysterical.
Yep.
Oh,
it's pretty
wow.
bad. She's 10 years old and still hasn't figured out.
I think a lot
Where
of
that
humans
comes from.
do that, though.
Probably. Yeah. They're like, "Whoa, who did that? Seriously?"
Horrible. Oh, and then when I posted about it on Facebook, because it was really that important to me in the
I
last
saw
couple
that.
days.
I did see that.
It's really funny to me. And we're still talking about it at work today. But anyway, a friend of mine posted on there, he's in the military, and he posted that he has a friend that received a Medal of Honor from President Obama. And he goes, "My friend crop dusted President Obama." On purpose. Sorry.
So if you have a funny story about crop dusting,
And not the kind from
and we're
a
not
plane.
talking about the flying from a plane, no, we're not. If you have a funny story about crop dusting or fart machines or whatever, put it down in the comments. Keep it clean, please.
I want to hear it.
And don't crop dust the president, and stay happy. Or do, whatever. Stay happy. Woof, who did that? Seriously?